Oh, cool.
Okay, what do we do with this? We blow it.
Blow it out. Blow it out. No.
Can you try it again? Blow it.
Blow your candle out.
Ready?
Blow it out.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Blow it out. Oh, good job.
Good. Oh, he's like, just let me.
All right.
Oh, good.
Done.
Want to eat your cupcake?
Yeah. Who doesn't want to eat a cupcake?
Here we go.
Better eat your cupcake before Daddy does. Mmm.
Frosting first.
Say hi, Grandma. Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma.
Gomez is just waiting.
Yummy.
Frosting, pure sugar.
Hi. Wave to Grandma. Wave to Grandma.
He's not doing like he did with his cake last year.
Nope. He's more civilized now.
Yeah,
Next year it'll be fork and knife.
change things.
Alright, happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Eli. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
How old are you?
How old are you? 2. Say 2.
Yay, 2. Good job.
Yummy.
That was you at one part, one time ago.
Okay, cupcakes, guys.
You want a cupcake?
It's a kid's food or whatever.
Yeah, man.
Look at he's got his eyes open.
Oh, it's Gomez.
Excuse me, come here.